Experiencing issues sending messages on Simple Mobile? This usually involves how your phone switches between different messaging technologies. Simple Mobile primarily uses RCS, Rich Communication Services, for advanced features like read receipts and high-quality media. However, if RCS fails, it falls back to SMS, text-only, or MMS, multimedia messaging. Common reasons for unable to send errors include the recipient not having RCS, a weak network signal, especially for RCS, or incorrect APN, access point name, settings. When RCS fails, the message downgrades to SMS or MMS. If those fail too, due to things like low balance, blocked numbers, or exceeding MMS size limits, you'll see the error. The most up-to-date Simple Mobile app, version 7.0 Plus, has auto-diagnosis features for RCS. Start by ensuring you have a strong data connection, Wi-Fi, or cellular. Then, verify that RCS is enabled in your messaging app settings, usually under Chat features in Google Messages. Make sure RCS chats are turned on, with options for read receipts and typing indicators. If problems persist, check your access point name settings. If problems persist, try the solutions mentioned in the next section. If RCS fallback is causing issues, several solutions can help. First, address MMS size limits. Simple Mobile, like most carriers, typically limits MMS messages to 1 megabyte. For larger files, use RCS if possible, or compress your media before sending. If the issue isn't file size, try resetting your messaging app. Go to Settings, Apps, Messages, Storage, Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, try Clear Data. Note, this might delete some app settings, but not your messages. You can also force stop the app or restart your phone. Another crucial step is to check, and if necessary, update your APN settings. You can find the correct APN settings on Simple Mobile's website or by contacting customer support. Incorrect APN settings can significantly interfere with both RCS and SMS MMS functionality. In more extreme cases, a network reset may be required. Settings, network and internet, mobile network, advanced access point names, but try the other steps first. Keeping your Simple Mobile app and phone software updated is also important.